Mzansi's celebrity couple Nadia Nakai and Toss had social media buzzing this Valentine's Day, but this time it wasn't just about the romance, it was about the statement they made. The two stars reminded fans that love can still thrive in the spotlight, especially in an industry where relationships often face intense pressure. By choosing to publicly celebrate the day of love together, they showed unity, growth, and confidence in their bond. Their post sparked conversations online, with many supporters applauding them for embracing happiness openly, while others debated the pressures of public relationships. Beyond the cute moments and stylish visuals, this Valentine's celebration highlighted how celebrity couples navigate love under constant scrutiny. Whether you see it as pure romance or a power couple moment, one thing is clear: Nadia and Toss know how to keep people talking while staying true to their vibe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video as well, and I will see you on my next upload.